Namaste. My name is G.R. Reddy. I'm the founder of Hughes Consulting Limited. I would be talking about recruiting as an aspect today, and especially how the digitization in recruitment really helps. Traditionally, what employers have been doing is you just have a job, you post it, and you post it on a job boards anywhere, and there is an email that is provided, and all the job uh, applicants, their email comes to your inbox, and it is very difficult, and we have noticed that there is so much of effort that the HR makes in actually screening through, going through each and every email, and many a times it is obvious that you might have really lost some of the best people in to hire for your company, or maybe you would have actually paid a lot more money than what you would have discovered otherwise, in the so many emails that gets clogged into your email boxes. So one of the important aspect is that your recruitment is always related to the reservoir of database that you have. Now with the cloud technology, it is very easy for you to create a reservoir, whether you post it on job boards or whether you have it in an Excel sheet, the data, or maybe the Word documents that you have. So you must choose a tool that can help you create the reservoir and also help you to discover the resumes when it is needed through a search. And there are a lot of specialized products that have come up on the cloud, and there are billions of dollars are spent on improving the efficiency of hiring by the companies. So on the cloud, it's actually getting much more easier. The service providers are actually creating a lot of intelligent tools which can also scrape through the entire internet web and look at not just only resume but also the behavior pattern on the internet, the persona of an individual. So there is a lot of invention that's happening, but however, want to leverage the entire the benefits of the technology that is coming into recruiting, it is always advisable to start with basics. So one basic thing is important, saying that you must have some recruitment tool which is available, a lot of free tools that are available, or maybe at a very marginal cost that you can actually acquire these tools. And you must look at the tools in such a way that can it really store all the resumes is one. Can it actually sort and search, which will give you an outcome when you actually have a data, or the tools also must be able to actually when you dump the entire data of Excel sheets or Word documents that you already have into your system, can you just dump it into them so that it will get sorted out into the system? Very basics. These are all very basics. And also, can it give a shortlist when you're actually are searching, for specific job requirements? After this, also look at that if it can actually send some notification through an email or an SMS, which is very important. And also look at creating some kind of a workflow, especially in terms of when the first interview that happens, whoever is the sourcer to the interviewer and the finalizer or somebody who actually makes an offer. So the entire journey you should be able to track into your applicant tracking system or a recruiting system, whichever you may want to call it. And it is also important that at each level you should be able to capture the details of the interviewers and their recommendations for the candidates, so that it is easy for your HR manager or HR executives to be able to move them to the next levels. And once it is done, you should be able to generate a kind of an offer letter and then also send it across to them. So by actually doing this entire workflow in a seamless manner, what is going to happen is, if today you are just only depending on just an email and somebody's efficiency, then you will be wasting a whole lot of time. So by actually having a tool which can actually do all the jobs that I just explained, it will actually improve more than 30 to 40% of the efficiency. And I have noticed that a company of 100 people size would have actually had 3-4 recruiters, which is not required. You don't even need one full-time person for a 100 people organization. Hence, it is an efficiency tool that you must use in your recruiting system, so that you have your data with you, and you will be able to use when you need it. And also it is more cost efficient than spending a lot of money every time. And one more important aspect that today nowadays it's possible is that these recruiting tools are coming up with an option of job boards. You don't have to register for them separately. You actually create a job and then post it onto the job boards directly from the system, so that the entire applicants will actually come back and sit in your database. So that means your database is increasing on day-to-day basis, so that you are not going to waste every time reposting something. Paying some money is actually uh, a criminal wastage of time, efforts and money, and we get the same resumes again and again, and then we get bogged down by the by screening. We'll not be able to screen, and hence it becomes very difficult. So look at your recruiting process to be optimized from today, and adopt to some technology. Don't even worry about, don't start really looking at analyzing and spend your time in wasting a lot of time. Take any tool that is actually very simple to implement, easy to understand, and just go ahead and implement. I'm sure it will save whole lot of money, and in terms of people who are actually working on it, in terms of the money that you're spending actually for resourcing, and also the money that you're reinvesting for actually posting again and again, and wasting your time again. So please do adopt a very simple technology as quickly as possible. It will save you a whole lot of time and efforts. Thank you so much, and have a good day.